That's Eric?
Yeah.
Does that say love Eric?
Yeah.
He isn't bad looking.
Mm-mm. I don't know if you dated him or not, or if you were just friends. I don't know.
Or if I was what?
Or if you guys were just friends.
I think we were just friends, son. I don't think we dated. I never screwed him or anything. Or even kissed him.
Yeah.
But he isn't bad looking, is he?
Mm-mm.
What was his name? Eric?
Yeah.
Golly, honey. Where did you get this picture?
He sent them to you.
To me?
Yeah.
Did he?
Yeah, that's why it says to Bella, love Eric.
Does it say love Eric?
Here, show me.
Should ask Eric. What is this? Two pictures here?
Yeah.
Two pictures. Oh, I remember him now.
Yeah.
Look, he's good looking.
Mm-hmm.
His pretty lips, pretty eyes, pretty hair, pretty. For the hell of it, hon. Oh, honey, where did you get these?
He said they were in the bottom drawer in your room.
Really?
You were trying to hide him from Papa, I think.
Pretty lips. Aren't his lips pretty?
Mm-hmm.
And his eyes? His hairdo?
So do you think you ever dated anybody besides Papa?
I'm trying to think. I know there was somebody I know, it was so long ago, I can't remember. But there was a good-looking guy.
And it wasn't Papa?
God, I don't know what the hell happened with Papa. With Papa. He was Papa. Jesus Christ. Hey, no way he looked like Eric. God damn! Fucking hell.
Can you believe this road?
Jesus. Well, why don't they fix the thing?
I know, we really should ask to get it paved.
God almighty.
We're almost off of it.